All right, Timothy, what are we doing today?
Fishing.
Yep, we're gonna catch some more. Look over here, bud.
Yep, can I show you? That's the full boat. See?
Our boat's flooded.
Yep, and so is our other boat.
We're gonna have to drain it, aren't we?
Yep.
All right, well,
Like with a bus.
we'll get back to you when we catch our first fish. So.
Wait.
All right, so I didn't have the camera rolling when Timothy caught his first one.
Case.
That's a good sized bluegill. Pick him up, Bub. Pick him up. Get a good grip on him. Is he slimy?
Yeah.
All right, go toss him back in the water. Pick
Ow!
him.
Ow!
Pick him up. Grab him. There you go. Toss him back in the water.
Well, that was a big splash, yo.
That was a good fish, bud.
Yep.
All right, Timothy caught another one. Second cast right after we released that last one. Look at him.
I'm gonna
Hold the line. Hold the line, bud, so
it?
they can see how big it is. That's a good little hand-sized one. Good catch, buddy.
Yeah.
All right, bud. Show us your fish. Hold them up. Look up here. Let's see.
I can see my phone.
All right, go ahead and throw them back.
I can see my phone, Dad.
Yeah? Go ahead and release them. Let them go. Good job.
Yep.
You want to catch another one?
Sure.
Timothy's on another one. Next cast, as soon as we release that other one. Man, son, you are tearing them up today, buddy.
Yeah.
Man, you teach Dad how to fish like that?
I will teach
A little
you.
bit smaller, bluegill. A little bit smaller.
Wait, we're catching small fish today?
Oh, he's smaller than the last one we caught, right?
Right.
All right, well, let's get the hook out of him and get him back in the water, okay?
Okay, with.
All right, we got the hook out.
Yep.
All right, Timothy, what are we using to catch these fish?
We're using small fish.
No, what are we using to catch these fish? We're just using bread, right?
Right.
All right. All right, let's get a release. All right.
Hey guys. Be careful.
All right, let him go. And there he goes, back home. All right, let's show everybody your pole, okay?
Okay.
Let's see here. We just got a little, oh, you know what brand this is. Oh, a little Shakespeare. A little Shakespeare kids pole. Got a little bobber, a little piece of lead, and a tiny little brim hook on there. And we're just using some hot dog buns. But yeah, it's been raining all day, and paddle boat's full, and my little bass boat, my little bass hound, it's full. Forgot to flip it over, but good thing about that one is it has a drain plug. You want to catch some more, bud? All right, Timothy's got one on. Had his bait stolen a couple times. But look at that sucker.
Right next.
That's a little yellow breast, red breast brown.
Yeah.
Good catch, Bubba. Let's get him off the hook. All right, this is what Timothy caught right here. I want you to look at this color on this fish, man. Look at his. Don't spin him. Look at his markings. Gold belly. Almost has like a crappie markings on him. All right, let's get him back in the water, Bubba, so he can go get bigger. All right, let go. Good release. High five, hey. All right, bud. Show us your next one you caught. The little fella. Sorry I didn't get him on video, but go ahead and toss him back in. Let him go. All right.
Yeah, he popped out of my hand.
Sweet. Good catch.
Hurry.
All right, so it's been a couple minutes, been getting our hook clean, but Timothy hooked up with this one. Another good hand-sized one. All right, you want to go throw him back in, bub?
Okay.
Please don't lean like that. Just let him go.
Hey,
There he went. Good job.
are we done?
You want to be done?
No.
You want to keep fishing?
Yes.
Got another good catch by Timothy.
Yeah, and we catch the catfish in the second round.
No, but we did have a big catfish and come up and almost inhale this bobber. I mean, the catfish was a pretty good size. So let's go ahead and put him back in the water, babe. Just toss him in the water. Toss him. Just easy toss. Let him go. Just let him go.
swim fast.
Yeah, that's all you have to do. Jeez Louise. Yeah, but my bobber was floating about right there. And this big old catfish came up and almost just inhaled it. And he stopped at the last second. It was crazy. Didn't he, buddy?
Yep.
Alright, Timothy's got a fight on. Alright, reel in a little bit more line. Alright. Need help? Alright, that's good, that's good, that's good.
I don't
Good
need
size right there. Holy moly, good catch, Bubba.
Remember we catch that catfish today?
No, we didn't catch a catfish. We almost did, but let's get him off the hook, okay?
Okay.
That's the last one of the day, bud. Look how big he is. Hold your hand up next to him. Hold your other hand next to him. Yeah, it's a big bluegill right there. All right, let's throw him back in the water, okay?
Okay.
Just give him a little toss. Yep. And I give him a 10 for the landing. Did you have fun today, bud?
Mhm.
We're gonna come back out here and fish again?
Yep.
You gonna help me empty the boat?
Mhm.
All right. Well, thanks for tuning, guys. Hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see more videos, and we'll catch you next time. Say bye, Tim.